Hey all, good evening. So I just wanted to assure everyone that the customer does indeed have a carbon monoxide alarm in his basement. And I have passed along your concerns, and the customer has let me know that he really appreciates your concern about his safety. So there it is. I've got the new one in place. You will notice that it is a bit bigger than the other one. We found that when we did the radiation count for the single pipe steam system, that the old boiler was too small. And we've got it up on block, so it does get wet down here, unfortunately. This concrete floor is probably about an inch thick at best. We're finding these rubber mats are a nice investment on situations like this because they don't turn into mush when they get wet. So I've got the 15-pound relief valve tied in, and got the quick disconnect adapter ready to go. The drip line is going to go there. Let me give you a shot of the size and rating. The gingerbread has not been completely installed yet. Going to redo this skim tapping. Going to take out that short nipple there and come out with something a little bit longer that you can get a wrench on. McDonald Mellor low with a cutoff. There's the 2.5-inch outlet, Union, 2.5-inch 45 to allow for installation, and then the 2x3, and it's USA anvil. And working with this old pipe, sometimes it comes in handy to have a nice die to clean up the threads, because the threads are over 100 years old. This is reed. This really works a treat when you get that on there. There's the old header with the new fittings on there. So that's a 3x2, and that's foreign. And then that's going to be the equalizer line. And then that's going to be the tie-in, 1.5 inches to, excuse me, 1.25 inches to 1.5 inches. And this T here, we're going to put the drain right here, so this can be accessed for cleaning later on. There's the flue right there, a little different arrangement than the other one. The other one, if you remember, comes out the top, and this one comes out the back. And it's going to go into there. So that is day 2 of this boiler install. We got snow coming tomorrow, so don't know what how that's going to affect things. But I think made some progress so far. Again, really thank you for your concern about this whole operation. The customer is a survivor in many ways, more ways than one, rather. He is also a survivor of the camps. Yeah, you heard that right. Those camps. And so he said that, well, the Nazis didn't get to gas me, but I didn't think my old boiler would. Wow. So, right, we want to make sure this one goes in. This one goes in well. So again, thank you all and stay safe.